Now, expression of scalar triple product A cross B vector dot vector C in terms of its components. Now, let vector A is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap. Vector B is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap, and vector C is equal to C1 I cap plus C2 j cap plus C3 k cap. Now we are having vector A cross vector B. This is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap. We have already done this part, okay? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Now this is equal to what? This implies vector A cross vector B is equal to, now A2 B3 minus B2 A3 minus B2 A3 with I cap minus A1 B3 minus A3 B1 with j cap plus A1 B2 minus A2 B1, one and the same thing with k cap. So this is one of the result. Now we are having vector A cross vector B with dot product of vector C. Now this implies what? This whole thing A2 B3 minus B2 A3 with I cap minus A1 B3 minus A3 B1 with j cap plus A1 B2 minus A2 B1 with k cap dot vector C, C1 I cap plus C2 j cap plus C3 k cap. Okay. Now this becomes what? Now this becomes C1 with A2 B3 minus B2 A3 minus C2 with A1 B3 minus A3 B1 plus C3 with A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Now just rearranging. Now rearranging, what we are getting? Rearranging the components, now we get A1 with B2 C3 minus B3 C2, one thing, minus A2 with B1 C3 minus B3 C1 plus A3 with B1 C2 minus B2 C1. And now what this is? This is vector A dot vector B dot vector C is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So exactly you will be getting, now when you are evaluating it, when you are expanding it along R1, then A1 is here in the bracket B2 C3 C2 B3, B2 C3 C2 B3, okay, minus A2, then B1 C3 C1 B3, B1 C3 B3 C1, like this. So like this we will be getting the determinant. So if we have to solve this one, then we can